Welcome to Share Talk, the only podcast where investors come first.
Hello and welcome to Share Talk. Today I'm joined by Shishir Poddar, who's CEO at Tirupati Graphite. How are you today, Shishir?
I'm fine, Zach. Thanks for catching up.
Right, some decent news today. Could you run us through it?
Well, yeah. So, flake graphite markets, they have been buoyant over the last few months on the back of many things, including, growing demand from various sectors. And we have a very unique setup where we have the ability to, accelerate or retard our development. So on the back of market demand and various other aspects, we decided to look into how we could increase the capacity of what we were building right now. And we worked this through, and just at a 30% incremental capex, we are able to build a plant to a 50% additional capacity. So we are on the job doing that now.
I mean, obviously everybody's familiar with the electric car demand that has especially kicked in since the pandemic started. I suppose all things green, renewable have all kicked in since then. So that's only, it's not even a year really. You have come to the market very recently. Has it been perfect timing for you?
Absolutely perfect, Zach. We have been mature. We are presenting a company that will be, in the following year of our listing, it will be kind of top-end earning company. So you will seldom find such a company in the mining space.
In terms of today's news, do you think that this is something which is going to be, there's going to be more news flow we can expect from Tirupati?
Yes, so, we are on the continuous assessment of things. And as you know, we have a modular development plan across our three business legs, including what we are doing in Madagascar, the primary side. We do see an opportunity that we may like to further accelerate capacity enhancement in our primary side because the demand is growing very strongly. And there is a huge opportunity for us, given two things. One, our Madagascan flake graphite is definitely a preferred source. And second, we are not a Chinese source. So, these two do weigh heavily for us in the markets.
Well, I've been following your company for quite a while, actually. I think 2 or 3 years, maybe more. And I think one of the aspects that people, I think, still don't quite appreciate, it's actually the quality of the graphite, which is the key thing.
So Madagascan graphite, Zach, is actually very large size of flake distributions. That actually gives us an advantage on both the aspects. One, its processing is relatively cost effective. And second, it gives us a better basket price. So, off the you can say whatever information is available on public domain, you will see that our reported basket prices are actually higher than what other companies have reported. So it reflects there.
And clearly, given that you said in the latest RNS you've got a customer which is a London-listed FTSE 250 company, you are quite high profile in terms of the companies that matter now.
Well, so this comes from our history, Zach. I have been into graphite for 30 years. We are a team that has been in graphite for more than 200 years now. So this brings to us a lot of deep connect in the consuming markets of graphite in all spheres. So, that was just an example. And unfortunately, as a policy, we do not like to take names of our customers. And we also have NDAs with many of them, which restrict us from taking names. But I can definitely share we have the top end.
I suppose it's the case that the more important they are, the more shy they are. So maybe that's good news that you're not revealing any names.
Let's see when I have the opportunity to do so. Maybe after a year or so, some names could come out. But as of now, it's very tough for us.
On that note, Shishir Poddar, CEO of Tirupati Graphite, thank you very much indeed.
Thanks a lot, Zach. Thanks for catching up again.
Thank you for listening. Remember to visit our website for more news and other podcasts at www.share-talk.com.